You may make $3 by watching just one YouTube short video. You will earn around $6 if there are 2 shorts videos. You may repeatedly receive $30 only for watching 10 YouTube shorts. Imagine the feeling of get paid for viewing YouTube short videos. Let's see how to do it. The first thing you need to do is go to the YouTube homepage and just make sure sign up to your account. After that, you can type #shorts on YouTube search bar, or you can just go to the top left corner and click here where it says shorts. As you can see, there are almost 700 million YouTube shorts on here. Now in just a moment, I'll show you how you can watch YouTube shorts and start making money just like these ones right here. As you can see, this person right here just made $9 for watching YouTube shorts. This one made $10, this one made $80, and the list goes on and on. Just imagine how much money you will make in total if you are going to watch at least 50 to 100 YouTube shorts every single day. There are many YouTube shorts available for us to watch and earn money from, but not all of them will. We should only choose those that are getting millions upon millions of views. This video right here has 107 million views, which is a good example of what we are looking for. At all, I wouldn't recommend going for anything that is below 1 million views. But you don't even have to worry about that. I've already found best different viral niches for you. You can choose from, and they already getting millions of views. The first profitable niche is life hacks, and then funny videos, ASMR, unboxing videos, quick tips videos. And next what you want to do is just type in search bar #shorts plus ASMR or anything that I said before. And these videos are going to pop up now. As you can see, this video right here got 3.9 million views. This other one has 3.2 million views, over 31 million views here, and the list goes on and on. This is a good niche right here. A lot of people are making a lot of money from it. You can choose any of them I mentioned earlier. Guys, before we continue, make sure you give a big thumbs up for the video. Let me just choose funny videos here, as an example to show you how the process works and how to take advantage of these views, so that we get paid every time someone views the video. This is actually much easier than what you think. You don't need any experience at all. You need is an internet connection and your computer or your smartphone. So what you want to do here is just go to one of these videos and then click on their channel. Let's say this one, for example. I will just click on their channel, and as you can see, he already has over 14 million subscribers. So he is getting millions of views, one of his recent videos. Now I want you to profit not only from watching these videos. So what you want to do is select shorts from here, and then click here to show the most popular ones. As you can see, we have here this shorts video with 689 million views. You can just click on it, and then what you want to do is click this icon where it says share, and it's going to show you this link that you want to copy. Just click here and now for next step. We are going to go change this link to a money link, so that every time someone actually click on that link and watch the video, you earn money. I want you to pay attention here because I'm going to show you exactly where to share your link to get thousands of people to click on it for completely free. I'm going to reveal the name of the website in a bit, just to make sure that you don't go to the website before you watch all the steps. This is how much you can earn from this website for clicks. For example, if you got 1,000 clicks from Greenland, you will earn $20. If you got the clicks from Iceland, you will earn $13. Clicks from United States will earn you $12, and the list goes on and on. And guys, you should take care of this. Imagine guys on this video that got 689 million views. If you just get paid, let's say $6 for every 1,000 views, that would be thousands of dollars. So I want you to take advantage of this. And as I showed you before, this are the payment proof of other people actually withdrawing money from this website simply for watching YouTube shorts. Our website is called shrinkerin.com. And first thing you want to do here, obviously, is creating your account. Just click where it says sign up, and you can then fill out your own information like username and email and a password. After, just click these 2 boxes here and hit register. Once you do that and verify your email, this is how your dashboard is look like. Now all you have to do on here is paste your YouTube Shorts link, and this website is going to turn it to a money link for you. So you want to click here where it says new shorten link, and then we're going to paste our link right here. After you paste the link, just click on shorten and boom. It just created our money link right here. Now whenever someone clicked this link to watch the YouTube Shorts video, and we're going to get paid for that. That's how we make money, basically. So we have to go get other people to click this link to watch the video. I'm going to show you the websites right now that I personally use. So after you copy the link, you want to go to this website right here that is called eBaum's World. This is one of the most popular forums for funny videos. But don't worry if you want to work with a different niche other than funny videos. I'm also going to show you how to go about that. But as for funny niche, this is the best forum that I have personally used with thousands of people that are interested in watching funny videos. We want to share this video that is valuable with them. It's already got millions of views and one of the most popular videos on YouTube in funny space. As you can see, they are getting views every single day on all these posts. And what you want to do on this forum is just create posts like what these other people are doing here and start sharing your link saying something like, "Guys, check this most funniest video I have ever seen," and let me know what you think about it. The more posts you make actually, the more clicks you will get, which means more money. So this option was for funny niche, but in case you're doing like ASMR niche, you can use asmrtingles.com platform. If you're doing other types of YouTube shorts, then you want to use Facebook for that. This will work for literally any niche, and actually Facebook is where you can even get hundreds of thousands of views, guys. There's going to be unlimited groups where you can start sharing your link, and for some other niches. By the way, this is also working worldwide. But just remember, in order to make more money, you have to do this with as many videos. Don't just do this with 1 or 2 videos, because that's not going to get you a good results. So guys, that's all for this video. Then don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you around.